My name is Dante. I'm graduating from the STEP class of 2025. One thing I can say to my fellow students, they're not friends, they became brothers and sisters. And the friendship that we've built and how close we've gotten from day one is incredible. And we can always rely on everyone in this class to always help you and to always encourage you as well. We're past just, mutual people. We're past just friends. We are a brotherhood, and that's how I like to see it.
My name is Elegbede Joseph from Nigeria. I was introduced to STEP through one of my friends that I met on the WhatsApp group in Moncton. To all the STEP crew, we say a big thank you for the privilege you gave to us to exercise our skill. Thank you very much. To all my classmates, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys too for the support, for the teamwork, for everything you have done to make this carpentry skill program a successful one.
Hi, my name is Kanav Arora. I am from India. Everyone is my favorite. Yeah, I like everyone. Everyone is very good, nice person. So, Manishant is my best friend. So, and David and Joseph, Dante, Carl, and everyone is good. Yeah, I'd say God bless to everyone, and everyone get job, and everyone get let's see carpenter.
My name is Nishant Kumar. So it was fun. So doing the practical thing in the class is the most part which I love. And I was loving it here. I used to come early 1 hour every day to work in the shop. And I love to play with the tools. So in the class, Mark was awesome. Our instructor was awesome. He helped us all the way to the end. I would like to say that I am very thankful that I got the instructor like Mark and like the STEP program and all the faculty here. They helped me grow in here with the skills which I need to start my job and which is going to be with me all the life. I'm gonna work on it and get better in it, but they have helped me to get the basic knowledge.
Hi everybody, my name is Laura Aleman. I have some experience in construction. I find this course a great course and I want to learn why always. I told Mark I have some experience but I only to do, and this course I help me for why I understand the things, the why I put 16 on center, why I put everything. This course is focusing construction in like carpentry course, like build a house. I learn about foundation, walls, framing, roof, stairs, everything for a house, and I love it. I hope this course more longer, more weeks, because I want to learn more. But to Mark, thank you so much. You are the best instructor. You are very patient with us, and I learn a lot. And you're a great person, and I hope you stay more with CMC and STEP, because the people need a great instructor like you and need to learn tomorrow. And Trish, thank you so much. You be great. Thank you, because all is possible with you and Helen. We enjoy too much this course. And thank you for these opportunities. We learn a lot. Thank you so much.
My name is Harpreet Singh. One of my friends, he shared a post about this program to me, that there is a STEP program going on. This is a free program, and people like me who have never been in skilled trades can start their career in skilled trades through this program. So applied for it, and fortunately I got accepted to it, and now I'm here. I've learned a lot through these 16 weeks, and I hope I get a job after this and start my apprenticeship and maybe get my seal in a few years.
For our baby shed, baby barn.
Big one.
Top of the barn. We've just finished setting up the walls and nailing the walls.
I'm Jesse and I'm from Fredericton. I wanted to join the STEP Carpentry program because carpentry is something I've always been interested in. I've just never had a chance to really step into it. For someone that's considering taking the STEP Carpentry program, I would say give it a try. If you like it, do it. If not, no harm.
My name is Eddie. I'm from Sackville, but not originally. I was born in Fredericton, but my family lived in Macadam at the time. Over the last few weeks, I met some wonderful friends, other people also interested in the trade, and just the passion everyone has in their work is really astounding. The STEP program has been teaching me what there is first, and then showing me firsthand, and they help ease you into the work so that it's not too overwhelming. It can feel a little overwhelming at first because of all the information that they're giving you, but once you're actually in the field doing the work that they set you out to do, it all kind of seems to come together.
Hello, my name is Carr. I am from Moncton, New Brunswick. My grandparents initially introduced me to the program, and they have a long history full of carpenters, and it is in my best interest to follow in the steps of my past and my family. I have learned how to use power tools. At first that was very daunting for me. I have never really thought that I could use an electric power tool the way that I do now. Measuring, reading a measuring tape, group communication. I've learned how to make forms and ride electric power operated vehicles. I've learned so much throughout this program.
My name is Gagan. My full name is Gagandeep Singh. So one of my friends advised me of this very unique program provided by the government. And I was struggling with my job, and it gave me like a very good opportunity to move my careers in where I like. I'm thankful to the government because they funded it and hired like the organization for us, and I really consider myself and my fellow colleagues as lucky one, as we were chosen to continue in this program. Yes, so as we are all in Moncton, I would really appreciate if we can all help out each other even after the course is completed, and help each other out, like maybe some tips and tricks, and maybe find some jobs, right? So keep our brotherhood and sisterhood going on.